Master the Art of Blind Tasting, where we will be blind tasting some of the wines and learning through how you identify these wines in terms of the where they come from, the grape varieties used, what they are, how they've been made, and perhaps even quality levels. Now, the meaning of blind tasting is generally the taster does not know what the wines in the glass are. Only the person who's organizing the tasting knows what the wines are. And so when the blind taster is tasting, his job is to be able to identify what the wines in the glass in fact are. So today I will be taking you through the steps of how to blind taste. So firstly, what do you need to start doing blind tasting? One, you need a set of clean wine glasses, so that the wines can show themselves very clearly and you don't sort of get any distracting odors coming from the glassware. You need a book and a pen where you can start making some notes depending on what you're tasting in the glass. And that's really, really helpful. Three is you need a glass of water just in case you want to take some tiny sips in between your tasting, just to be able to cleanse your palate. I prefer room temperature water because I don't want cold water to numb my palate. And fourth important tip is it's very important to complete the wine tasting and then draw your final conclusion. Often, as wine tasters, we get tempted to start drawing to conclusions very quickly. Something in the aroma, something in the way it looks, starts to give you some hints and clues. And then you almost sort of your mind sort of jumps over and pre-decides what the wine is. And sometimes this can distort your ability to taste well and with competence. So my advice to everybody out there would be, do the tasting completely first, complete the exercise, and then sort of draw from all the hints and all the clues that you've gathered through the, all the evidence that you've gathered through your tasting, and then draw a final conclusion, right? So don't jump to conclusions, but conclude at the end on the basis of all the evidence in the glass. Hopefully you learned something. So if you did, give us a thumbs up, show us some love, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Sonal Holland Wine TV, and share with us what other wines you'd like me to blind taste and show you how to be able to discern differences in identity, grape varieties, quality levels, styles, aging. A number of things can be discerned through the blind tasting method. So we'll be back with some more, but until then, take care and see you soon.